Looking to upgrade your home or add some finishing touches? Look no further than Hangman Mounting and Installation. Our experienced team specializes in hanging mirrors, mounting televisions, and showcasing artwork in the most elegant way possible. From slim LED screens to grand QLED displays, we have the expertise to handle them all. We don't just install your TV, we make sure it's in the perfect spot for the ultimate viewing experience. Our meticulous attention to detail ensures every angle in your room becomes a prime viewing spot. Our professionals handle every aspect of the installation process, from securing your TV with precision to managing those pesky cables. Say goodbye to tangled wires and hello to a clutter-free oasis. With the final connection made, your entertainment center is ready for action. Immerse yourself in your favorite shows, movies, and games with a professionally installed TV. Enhance your home entertainment experience with Hangman Mounting and Installation. Contact us today at www.hangmanmountinstall.com and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. When it comes to your enjoyment, we've got you covered. We mount and install it all.